Are you feeling overwhelmed by the constant stream of notifications on Twitter and want to take control of your alerts? Today, we'll guide you through the process of turning off notifications on Twitter using your PC. Let's ensure you have a more peaceful Twitter experience without unnecessary interruptions. To begin, log into your Twitter account on x.com. Once logged in, locate the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen and click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. Within the Settings menu, navigate to the Web Notifications option on the sidebar. Click on it to access the notification settings. Look for the option that says Turn on Browser Notifications and click on Turn Off next to it to deactivate notifications for your browser. By following these simple steps, you can customize your notification settings on Twitter and reduce the frequency of alerts that may disrupt your browsing experience. Turning off notifications allows you to engage with Twitter on your own terms and avoid unnecessary distractions. Take charge of your Twitter notifications and create a more focused and distraction-free environment for your online interactions. Customize your settings to match your preferences and enjoy a more serene Twitter experience.